Hi, my name is John Tuggle. I'm a chiropractor in Cedar Park, Texas. Today we're going to talk about the chiropractic adjustment. The adjustment, if you've never had it done before, can be concerning, and some people actually think it's could be scary because of some of what Hollywood's done to us. But today I want to talk about how simple it is and what it actually does. This is a replica of what our spine looks like, and what you're going to see here are all these little bones, and they're called vertebrae. When we move our spine, we move back and forth like this. These joints are moving in this direction, and so it's called a couple motion. But what can happen is one of these vertebrae can get stuck. They get stuck or they stop moving as much as normal, their normal range, meaning the range that they actually move is reduced. And that can happen when we sleep wrong, when we have stress. It could be a car accident. It could be so many things that cause these vertebrae to restrict and not move like they should. So what we want to do in the chiropractic perspective is we want to go back and we want to get those vertebrae moving like they're supposed to again. And that's what the chiropractic adjustment does. When we go in there, we'll push in different areas. We manipulate the spine. And when that does, that restores the range of motion. When we do that, that'll help reduce pain. That can help reduce headaches. That can reduce all kinds of things and help your body restore to its normal function. And the chiropractic adjustment is simple as that.